Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today's Friday, October 11th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. 4 trades in the room, 1 smaller one or a break even, 3 nice winning trades. We knew that going against the trend, it was going to be, more of a couple points in the ES, scalp type of things. That's what we got on the shorts. I'm going to run through everything here really quick from left to right in no particular time order. In the NASDAQ, we hit this trade here after this green candle. Actually, when it came up in the middle of the green candle, it came down about 10, 12 ticks, bounced around there, closed up right around where we got in. It was either an 8 or 10 tick trade or a break even. If you moved your stop down, obviously it would have been a break even. On that trade, so for not much profit, or if somebody was a 1 contract trader, they certainly got their 8 or 10 ticks, but nothing major there. The play of the day was probably our S play that we took on the ES. Just a beautiful trade after the 957 candle. 29.78 was the call, and the sucker just went all the way up. You can see with any reasonable trail you could have stayed in. It initially, just on the initial push, went up to our initial target of 85. It was about 7 points, up to 7 points on the trade with no real pullback at all. And then, of course, anybody who was going to move their stop up and trail the stair steps, again, would have easily been able to make, up into this range here and finally gotten stopped out right around 88, unless they took it up higher. Most people, however, indicated they were out. So when the market came here, we had a death candle. We shorted that sucker there right after the 11-12 candle. 87 quarter, 87. That sucker went down, made up to a couple points. And again, we weren't expecting a whole lot to the downside. I was telling everybody in the room, I kept saying, look, it's, you're not going to get that much. If it does pull back, it's going to be later in the morning, which you'll see it did do very, later in the morning. I said after 11:30. I specifically was talking about this time frame with price action between 11 and 11:30 on a strong trending day in the indexes. And, we got what we could out of it, up to a couple points. I did say that I would buy with the trend if it pulled back up here. If it pulled back enough, which it finally did, we got in initially at 86. Again, this thing was bouncing around here, got in at 86. It made a point or a break even. And then I said if it comes back down and it takes you out for a break even, or if you're just out at a point, hit it again at 84, because they're going to try to take it up from here somewhere. And that sucker went from 84, went all the way up. It actually went down first. 84 went all the way up to 91. In very quick fashion from the 84. So beautiful trade, up to 7 points on the trade. Realistically, most people got 4 or 5 if they had static targets sitting there. I mean, it went very fast. So if you had your ATM, if you had an ATM sitting there at 6, 7 points, you got filled in 5 seconds or less. And very quick money. But anywhere, 0.2, 3, 4 points, whatever it was. And that was it. We closed the room. We were looking for another one. Actually, we just closed the room here. We could have tried a short here, but I really don't have time to sit in this. It's Friday. We'll be back on Monday. We're going to do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back on Monday. Safe trading, everybody, and have a great week.